Today we will start AP. It's one of the most important chapter for class 10 and very interesting too. Let me explain it very completely. So, what is AP? AP is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. So, what is that? Let's have some number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have written 5 consecutive numbers. So I have to feel what is the relation between these numbers. What is the first number? First number is 1. Can you state the difference between these two? Yes, it is 1. And then the second and third term, the difference between second and third term, it is also 1. Third and fourth term, it is also 1. So look, there is a relation between these two. The first term, which is 1, and common difference, that is equal to 1, 2. Let's have another example. I am writing 1, 3, 5, 7, likewise. Is, in this case, the first number is always again it is 1. And the common difference between these two is 2. If there is such a relation between numbers, this is called AP. If there is a common difference, that is, so first term and the difference between the second term and the first term is equal to the difference between the third term and second term. I am repeating it once. You have to think one thing. So it is in AP because the difference, common difference between the second term and first term is always equal to the difference between the third term and second term, and so on and so on. It is equal to the difference between fourth term and third term. Am I clear to you? So look, in this case 5 minus 3, that is the third term and the second term, they are different, so it is 2. Look, fourth term 7 and the third term 5, difference is 2. That you have to find, that you have to understand. So let's start again. AP is a form, is such a number, list of numbers which has a first term. Naturally, it starts with a number, so it is called first term, identified by A in your maths chapter. It will be identified by A, small a, always small a. So first term is A. Common differences will be identified by small d. So now make another views, deep views onto this series of numbers, these APs. What is the view? If I am writing first term as A, because I have already told you that first term will be identified by A, common difference will be identified by small d. So I am writing first term. Second term will be A plus D. Yes or no? What will be the third term? Tell me the third term. A plus 2D. It will be 2D, isn't it? Look, calculate it. First term 1. Second term 1 plus 2. That is 3. Third term 1 plus 4. That is 5. Am I writing correctly? 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5. Am I writing correctly? So you have to understand this form. So form of an AP, A comma A plus D. First term will be A, second term will be A plus D, third term will be A plus 2D. What will be the fourth term? Tell me.
A plus
A plus 3D. A plus 4D.
4D.
Like likewise, it will be continued. Is that clear? Up to this part, do you have any doubts? Okay, let me continue again. Suppose you are asking a number 1, 3. It is given 1, 3, 5. Can you identify the 20th term of this series? Yes, we can. We can just we can go through the counting by them.
A plus 20D.
Yes, exactly. So let's start with what is the formula to find a particular term.
A plus 19D.
Suppose I'm looking for an nth term, a of nth term. It will be a of nth term. The formula will be a plus n minus 1 d. The formula will be a plus n minus 1 d. So what is n here?
20.
19.
19D.
Do you have the first term? Yes,
Yes,
it is.
one.
It is 1. Do you have the value of d? Yes,
Yes,
we have
we
already
have.
calculated it as 2. So 20 minus 1d, that is 1 plus 19d. So d now 1 plus 19 multiplied by 2, that is 1 plus 38, that will be 39 will be your answer. 20th term of this series will be 39.
39.
How could I understand? You have to remember this formula very much. Nth term will be a plus n minus 1d. A plus n minus 1d. Is that clear? Do you have any doubts with it? With this single formula and this concept, whatever I have told you, just repeat the video several times if you like to get the complete idea about that. Within this idea, the concept you have learned today, you can easily solve exercise 5.1 and 5.2. These two exercises will be easily can be solved
Of NCERT.
from NCERT
Class 10.
class 10. So let's enjoy this part, and then in our next video I will be able to go forward in 5.3 and some other else. Summation of the series will have come. Okay, till then, have a nice time.